Welcome to Tactical Arbitrage's reverse search feature. In this video, we're going to help you understand the functionalities of reverse search to help you start finding products using the reverse of product search. Contrary to product search, where you would input the website and then the category to scan, here in reverse search, you can input any one of the following parameters to search: ASIN or UPC, product title or keywords, product brands, seller ID, or Amazon category. Beginning with ASIN or UPC, we have two options: quick search and import bulk product codes. For quick search, all you need to do is input the ASIN or UPC here. If you would like to input multiple, simply input comma and space separation between the ASINs or UPCs. And for import bulk product codes, instead of inputting it into a field like quick search, you can upload a spreadsheet of either a list of UPCs or ASINs. To upload, simply select Import Bulk Product Codes, then Upload New File. Choose the file to upload by clicking here, and once chosen, click Upload here. To scan with product title or keywords, select Quick Keyword Search here. Input the keyword or product title, then select the Amazon category the product belongs in, and then click Search. If you'd like to search by brand, select Search Brand Page on the drop-down menu here. Then click on the brand name field here, type in the brand, and select like so. Then you'll click Search. If you'd like to search by Amazon category, we have three options: Scan Movers and Shakers, which allows you to scan products on Amazon that have shown the biggest gain in sales rank over the past 24 hours. Scan Most Wished for exploring the products that are most frequently added to Amazon wish lists. Or Scan Best Sellers to scan for the top selling items across Amazon's various categories. To use Scan Movers and Shakers, simply choose the Scan Movers and Shakers option, then select the Amazon category you'd like to search within. The process is the same for Scan Most Wished. Select the option, choose your category, and press search. The Scan Best Sellers option differs slightly from the previous one. When you choose Scan Best Sellers, you'll be presented with three levels. Starting with level 1, you'll see the main Amazon categories, the same list you found in Scan Most Wished and Scan Movers and Shakers. After selecting a category, you can begin the scan immediately, or you can move to level 2, where you can choose a subcategory within the selected category in level 1. The same process applies to level 3. After picking a subcategory in level 2, you can further select the subcategory within level 3. One thing to note is that you don't have to select all the way to level 3 to scan. You can only select level 1 or level 2 to scan. Lastly, if you would like to scan an Amazon seller's entire storefront, you can select Search Seller Products here. Input the seller ID and press Scan. Then on the right hand side of your screen, you'll be able to set which domain that you would like to receive results from. By default, it should be all domains, but you can pick and choose domains that you would like to include or exclude. You can also create domain lists that you can use for different scans. Additionally, you can name the search. This makes it easier to find. It's not required, but it does make it easier to find in your View Reverse page. And that is an overview of the reverse search feature. If you want to explore more sourcing tactics, consider joining our customer coaching class. We're excited to help you elevate your skills to the next level. To register, click the free coaching classes prompt here, check the available schedule, and simply fill out your details to secure your spot. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at support@tacticalarbitrage.com.